if you guys want to unlock the Renegade Raider, as long as every other cosmetic, keep watching. Alright guys, so you guys want to go into the link of the description. I'm going to be going straight into this tutorial. So you guys just want to go in the link of the description, and then it should take you to here eventually. So yeah, if you guys don't know, we're actually doing a tutorial on how to get Fortnite Dev based on the title. So yeah, once you guys have done that, you guys want to go back into the Discord, because that's where it should redirect you after my Beacons the Island once you've done the link for ties. So once you're in the Discord, you just want to react to the rules and make sure you guys do have access to all the channels. That's going to be necessary for this tutorial. And then once you guys have done that, there's going to be multiple links. You guys want to press the first link, which is anywhere all platforms link for ties. Basically with this, you guys can get Fortnite Dev on any platform, including Nintendo Switch, mobile, console, etc. So you guys can go on to this link for ties process, which is by RexFN. So discover interesting articles, read around 5 to 10 seconds, and then close that out. And then discover related topics, click any of those topics, and then close it out. And then download website. Once you guys have done that, double click on that link for ties link into the same process, and it should take you to the RexFN Anywhere website where you guys can unlock all these skins. So yeah, there you guys go. If it does ask for an authorization code, please don't comment, because I'll be showing us how you guys can get one in just a minute. So what you guys want to do is go into the Discord where it says authorization code, and then there's going to be another link for ties process to actually unlock that authorization code, like I'm doing right now. So go through the same process. And I know, but this is the last link for ties process, so you guys don't have to worry about that. And then yeah, once you guys have finished this, it should take you to a code generating website where you guys can input codes into the website and actually get access. So once you guys have done that, just do the same process. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Also comment W if you guys are still watching for the algorithm. And yeah, you guys just want to go next, skip on if it's open. And then from here guys, you guys want to copy that code and then input it into this website when it asks for one. If it doesn't ask for one, you guys can just press launch. If it doesn't work when you press launch, just reload and keep pressing launch. It should work eventually. And eventually, you should proceed to the page looking like this, where you guys have access to all the skins. Now all you guys want to do is load up Fortnite and be showing you guys how you guys can actually get those skins on your account. Also, do keep in mind that this does not modify your Fortnite account in any way. This is technically a lobby bot, but we're calling it a Fortnite Dev because you can control what it wears and you can't see yourself in the lobby. So it's basically a Fortnite Dev, an actual updated version of Fortnite. So once you guys are here, you guys just want to load up Fortnite like I'm doing right now. And bam, once you guys load in, you guys should be granted with the last skin that you guys were wearing. And you guys may be asking yourself, well, how do I actually get those skins? So you guys want to add that bot that was onto the website. There should be like a username to add, so you just want to add the bot during its party, and you guys should be granted with the Renegade Raider skin. And then as you guys can see, basically with this, you guys can unlock basically every skin. And then you guys can control it with this website, which is pretty cool. So you guys can equip the Aerial Assault Trooper, for example, and you guys can equip exclusive skins like the Wonder skin. There's a bunch of stuff that you guys can do, so just to play around with this. You can even do back blings and pickaxes, which I think is pretty cool. And you guys can even change your level. There's also an upcoming tabs item for upcoming items that will be released recently in the future updates, or items that have been released recently. But as you guys can see, I have officially done this, and if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll be gladly to assist you. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Like I said, I hope you guys did enjoy, and I hope this actually did work for you. If you guys want more tutorials like this, please comment W and like. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I know I'm repeating myself. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.